Hey guys, welcome back. I'll show you in this video how to open a UK limited company while staying in US or Canada. It's a very simple process. You can do it the way you want. You just need to go on gov.uk website and you need to do the company formation. But before that, you need the address, and I'll show you in this video how to get the address, how to open a bank account. So without wasting time, let's start. Open a UK limited company, you need to go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. Once you come to this gov.uk, enter in the search section Companies House. Click on Companies House, then this is the first link. You have these options. The first option is find company information. Second one, file your company accounts, file your confirmation statement, change your company details, set up a company. So in this video, we're setting up a company. Click on this. Now this is the guidance which explains you everything, but we'll straight away jump on the first step. So the first step is go down on step number 8, which is register your company with Companies House. Click on this. Then the third option is register your company with Companies House. Click on this. Now you have all the details. So obviously we will go all the details we'll fill. So there is no point of discussing this just now, but I'll show you the cost. The cost is £50 and can be paid by debit or credit card. So if you're staying in India, Pakistan, whichever country you are staying, your company is usually registered within 24 hours. Now click register now. Next question is, are you starting a new application? Yes. Continue. Check before you start. Continue to questions. Are you able to pay this application using card or PayPal? Yes. Continue. Any directors or person with significant control on Companies House secure register? So no at the moment, because the question is, are any directors with significant control on Companies House register? So if you don't have any, obviously this is, in this case, the director is opening a company first time. Next step is, you will now create a government gateway user ID for this company. Create government gateway user ID. Next question is, enter your email address. Put your email address, click continue. Enter code to confirm your email address. So we'll go back on our email address. Now in my emails, I will copy this code and I will paste it over here. Click confirm. Email address is confirmed. Continue. What is your full name? Enter your full name. Continue. Create password. Continue. Further, it says your government gateway user ID is created. We have sent an email to this address. You will need your user ID and password each time you sign in to government gateway. Now click continue. You need to set up additional security. Continue. How do you want to get access code? Text message, voice call, authentication app, or smartphone tablet. So I have three options: text message, voice call, authentication app. I'll select the authentication app. Continue. You need an authenticator app on your device. So for that, we will click continue. Now I'll scan this code. Next, it says you have set up additional security. Which email address do you want to use for this application? So I'll select the first one, which I have selected. What is your relationship to the company? So it's company director. Will the company be community interest company? So what do we mean by community interest? This is a special type of the company that exists to benefit the community. In this case, no, it's a business. So the plan is for the Amazon business. Will the company be limited by shares or limited by guarantee? So it's limited by shares. If you wanted to know the difference, then the best is go on Companies House website and you can see the difference on it. Next, it says what is the name of the company. So select the name of the company. Enter the name. In this, you have two options, limited or LTD. In this case, we have selected limited. Then it will ask you what is the company registered email address. Select the first one because that's the registered email address. Confirm registered email address. Confirm. What is the company registered address? So office address is talking about. This will be publicly available. Anyone will be able to see this. So make sure whatever you enter is perfect. If you don't know how to get this address, then you go on Google. In the search section, just write virtual address for company formation. So virtual addresses for UK, and you will get this whole list. So there are loads of companies which providing you the virtual address. They also giving you the addresses, for example, the address you can use for the post and everything. So virtual office address, 8 p.m. hassle free. So they will provide you all the videos, packages. So if I click on view package, they will give me the details. So £34, you will get receive business mail in 3 names, so you can do that. Unlimited post included. So this is how you can get the address. So it's very easy. You can do that yourself. Now let's jump to the company formation. Next question is confirm the registered office address. Confirm. Will the company be registered in Scotland, England or Wales? So in this case, the company is registered in England. Save and continue. Next question is, what is the company principal place for business? So we'll use the same address. Obviously, you can use a different address as well. For example, some companies have different offices. The next question is, give us one more way to contact this company. So they're asking for the phone number, email address or other contact number. So we will provide other contact number and we will also provide the contact number. Save and continue. Next question is the new company replacing another business? No. So sometime when you buying another company or you changing from sole trader to business partnership to a limited company, then you select yes. In this case, no. Save and continue. When will the company start trading? So on the same date, it gets set up on a different future date. So in this case, the company will start trading in future date. So it says enter a date at least 3 working days from now, no more than 3 years in the future. But in this case, we will select on the same date because we can select on future date. The thing is we need to apply for the bank account. So we might have a trouble in getting the bank account set up. So we'll click save and continue. Usually you will get letter in 7 working days for the company's house formation, your authentication code and all those. In its first 3 months, will the company do any of the following? The question is, in some situation, a company may need to account for income tax. The most common situation are listed below. So we don't have any non-bankers, we don't have any royalty payments. So we'll select no. Click save and continue. Next question is, what will be the company doing? So what will be the type of the company? So business activity, we call that SIC code. It's very important when you select the SIC code, select the right one. So in this case, the best SIC code is other information technology service activities. Because for example, if you wanted to do marketing regarding the software development, if you wanted to do the TikTok marketing, or you wanted to open any online technology center or anything, so this is one of the best code. But if you wanted to open a retail shop, you can do that as well. Online retail shop, you can click that as well. So I will select 62090. Or I have the option 63990. So if I select this one is other information service not elsewhere classified. So this is also one of the best one. You can change the SIC code whenever you want. Check and confirm what your company will be doing. If you are moving goods into or out of EU, you will need to get economic operator registration and identification number. So we're not doing that. So we're just doing one thing. So other information services, activities not elsewhere classified, confirm. Has anyone on this application ever sent a secure register form to ask company's house for protection? No. Save and continue. Now it's asking for the director's detail. You will enter the title, first name, middle name, last name. Has the director used a different name for business purpose? Nationality, date of birth and job title. Then click save and continue. The next question is, what is the correspondence address for the director? So I'll select the same address which we have selected. Save and continue. Next one is, what is the home address for this person? So we'll select tell us where the person live. Only give business address if they also live there. Next question is, does the director want to receive filing reminder by email? Yes. Save and continue. Next question is, which email address does the director want to use to receive filing reminder? So the same email address for the company. You can use the different email address as well. Do you want to add another director? No at this time. Next question is, check and confirm director details. So if all the details are correct, confirm where directors live, agree to become a director, save and continue. The next question is, you are about to set up company shareholder. We will ask you, tell us who the company shareholders are, tell us how many shares you want to give them, choose a value for each share, confirm the shareholders and shares you have created. So in this case, there is only one director who wants the shareholder. Is this the person is the shareholder? Yes. If you have too many directors, then you will select one by one. Would you like to add another shareholder? No. Check and confirm shareholders. So this is the address, this is the director details. Confirm. Do you want to use the most common type of shares? Yes. Now what do we mean by most common type? So shareholder will have the following right: 1 vote per share on company's decision. Because this is only one director, so it really won't make any difference. So the question is, do you want to use the most common type of shares? Yes. Next question is, how many shares does the director need? So 1 share. That's perfect, because 1 share is equivalent to all the amount. As the only shareholder, they'll own 100% of the company regardless on how many shares you choose. So even if you choose 1 or you choose other amount, it will remain the same because there is only one director. Choose a value of each share. The best is £1. Save and continue. Check and confirm shareholders and shares. So everything is correct. If you are happy, confirm. Next question is, you are about to set up the person with significant control. Now, person with significant control is mean the one who can do the decision in the company. So there is only one director, so that really won't make any difference. From previous answers, we know that this person is significant control. Continue. Does this person have the right to appoint or remove the majority of company directors? Yes, because this is the only director, so it won't make any difference. Check and confirm details of the person. So this is the company name, the company directors. Check all the details, so everything is correct. Save and continue. Next question is model article of association. So do you want to use model article association? Yes. So that's correct. Save and continue. Do you agree to form the company? So these are the details are correct. If you agree, everything is correct. Save and continue. The final step is you are about to make a secure payment of £50. Click make payment. Next question is, how do you want to pay? PayPal or direct debit or credit card? So click continue to payment. Now enter your card details. It's a £50 cost, card number, expiry date, name on the card, business billing details, contact details, and continue. Next, it will ask you to prove this payment in your banking app. So I'll do that just now. Your banking details are processed, checking card details, your payment is done. So now the card payment is done. It says confirm payment, confirm your payment. So I'll click over here, confirm payment, and that's the payment is done. Next, it says application submitted. You have just applied to set up a limited company and register it for corporation tax. This is your company number. This is your for application to register corporation tax. We will email you these. Another email within 2 working days or 5 working days for the CIC letting you know the outcome of your application, a letter with instruction on how to access the company corporation tax online, another letter within 15 working days with the company unique taxpayer reference number. So you will get UTR number, which is very important, especially when you're filing up your accounts, when you're doing payee and all these, you need all these letters. This is also very important because that's the authentication number. Click continue over here. Make sure you save all these details. Next, it says company registration overview. These are the details of your company, corporation tax details. This is the reference number. Currently, this says pending because it will take 2 working days sometime. So this is how easy you can open a company yourself. It's very simple. Only guidance you need is from gov.uk.